Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made this SVG in Canva. So if you guys seen my previous video, if you have not, it'll be linked below. I'm going to teach you guys how to make your own SVG. But now if you guys head over to Canva, there is now an SVG button. So right here I'm showing you guys can choose SVG. So you can create your own SVGs and then pick SVG. Before we chose like PNG, I believe, but like I said, that video is down below to show you exactly how to design them. This is just to let you know there's an update now. So you're just going to simply download it to your computer, click on them, and you can see they say SVG. So I'm going to go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space so I can show you how to upload these. So what I'm going to do is hit browse. And then I'm going to search for it. So I'm just typing in because that was the beginning of that. So then I'm going to double click that. And now you can see their SVGs. So I'm super, super excited about this. I don't know when Canva made this update, but it had to have been really recent. And I just went in to make a new SVG for my daughter. It's her Sweet 16. And as you guys are going to see, we're going to make squad goal shirts here. Squad goal, Sweet 16 goal. But all you're going to do is click on it and bring them in. So there's no fussing with it like we did before and get rid of the background. You're simply going to be able to make SVGs. Now, please keep in mind that this is for the premium membership and I think it's $12, but it's totally worth it. So now when you see something, you can just go in and create it all by yourself. So I'm really excited about this new feature. And like I said, I don't know when they added it, but I definitely wanted to let you guys know. So what I did was I wanted to create something for my daughter. So we did my Sweet 16 and then Ashley's Sweet 16 squad. So I couldn't really find anything out there. There was a few files out there that I could have purchased, but nothing that I was like absolutely happy with. So somebody's got to make some really cool SVGs on that. So all you're going to do is cut it out and then weed it, but I just thought I would go ahead and show you guys pressing it with my press today. So I'm testing out my new camera, as you guys know, so I'm kind of playing around with it. As you can see, it kind of goes in and out. That's the autofocus, and I'm working on that, so you guys just hold on. But I'm definitely got some game changing. That way the quality's a lot better. When I teach you guys, I want to make sure you guys are getting the best quality there is. So I've been putting all my money back into my building, into my footage, my studio, all that stuff. Now, I know you guys probably don't care to hear about this, but I just thought I would tell you while we went over. So all I'm doing is using 3 fingers to simply bring it down. It's kind of hard to tell at this angle that it's actually straight, but it truly is. It's because of the way that I had my camera set up here. So I just, use my 3 fingers there. I folded it in half to get the middle. And then now all I'm doing is using my heat press. This one will be linked down below. This is the 15x15 Craft Press Pro. And then I used Caesar Easy Weed today. So I did use that because that's what I had on hand. And so all I'm going to do is just get this lined up here and press it. I've got it set at 305 for 12 seconds. I'm just getting that all smoothed out there, push it in. I probably take too long to press my shirts, but I don't think you can overthink it. Now, if you were doing 300 shirts, you definitely wouldn't want to take your time, but I just like mine to come out perfect, so I probably take a few seconds too long. I didn't put anything in fast forward mode, so that way I could kind of slow it down. You guys could kind of see the real deal, and then popping this open. This is setting on a toolbox. If you guys don't follow my stories here on YouTube, definitely make sure you guys check it out. I got the toolbox this is setting on. You guys can't really see it, but you guys will see it later. At Harbor Freight, I think for $1.99. So it really worked out for my heat press. I almost feel like I need it a little bit lower, but it's okay. So all I do is peel that off. Now, when it comes to making t-shirts for me with the heat press, I do 12 seconds. I peel off the cover sheet when it's cooled down a little bit, and then I press it for another 2 seconds, and then I pop it back open. I just like to do that. I like to make sure it's really in there, and I definitely don't want to overheat. So like I said, 2 seconds is good enough. And that's it. Look at how good that looks. Love it. So what we did was we have the black t-shirts, and then we have one white t-shirt, which is hers for her Sweet 16. And then we have the red and black plaid. So the red plaid, and what we're going to do is we're going up to Branson for the like the Christmas show with that Silver Dollar City, and we're going to have the matching pajamas. I think it's gonna be cute, so we can take super cute pictures. I really wish I could find some long sleeves that were plaid that we could put under these. It would be really adorable. So I wanted to do something different. So her birthday always lands close to Thanksgiving. And so this year we wanted to do this whole Christmas type theme. I know it's still November, but I think it's a lot of fun. Let me know down below, what would you guys put on your Sweet 16 t-shirts? What would they say? I'm really interested to see what you guys would come up with. We had a couple different ideas. I really wanted to do like those like you'll shoot your eye out on all of them, and then on the back do like Sweet 16 squad or something like that. I thought that would be really cute. That way they were like a Christmas shirt in the front, but then they said that we were all the squad in the back. I thought that would have been adorable. And then speaking of testing out my camera, I wanted to show you guys an up close shot of whenever I'm talking about making sure that your texture of your shirt comes through with your HTV, I'm going to go ahead and get up close here so you guys can see that a little bit. So what you're looking for is these lines. So you guys are about to see that. So these tiny little lines that you guys can see, which is the texture of the fabric, you can see that coming through the HTV. If you can see that, you're golden. That means that these shirts will outlast wash after wash after wash. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.